Okay, here I go again. In that video I will talk about of the method cleans in the aircraft. In this video we mention two methods to clean and disinfect some part in the aircraft. For example, the first method is talk about of the clean some part or two in the engine, and the second example is clean and disinfectant some part in the passenger's cabin. For example, the first method is to clean some tool or part in the engine or the airplane. For example, in this case I will clean the gear and a gear or a some tool, and we use the strong solvent, for example, that. And the first step is clean with a cloth the part. The second step is dry the part, and the final step is throw the garbage this part or put in its place that part. And the second example is to disinfectant and cleaning the passenger's cabin. The passenger's cabin we can use an disinfectant for a clean all the surface in the airplane, and use some flavor for clean the airplane. In this case we can use that's flavoring for clean the aircraft. And we clean with a cloth. We clean the surface in the airplane, and that's all. The airplane is the most big and the best flavoring in the airport.